Model, 2009 Citroen Relay Boxer 35 HDI 120 Xlwb 14-seater minibus low mileage long MOT. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 118,794. MOT, the 10th of November 2025. Engine, 2198 CCF1 CE0481D 120 bhpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seat area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.